What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Dirty Boots. So, had a couple days there where I was busy, not able to film, and then yesterday it was supposed to rain all day, but I decided to go fiddle with a project, and that project is going to be showcased here, and I think it might show you guys a little bit of what's happening here soon. So, yeah, it's going to be a fun little new adventure. It's been about 10 years or more since I've been into the hobby. So, this is what's to come.